how to add and remove rows and columns from in Microsoft Excel. So to start off, I have already labeled this first example here with a couple of cells labeled with their coordinates. So A1, B2, C3, D4, and so on and so forth. So to delete a row or a column, all you have to do is first select the row or column, and you have to select it on the side or top of the row or column. So I'll click on the 2 here, and if you click it, it should highlight the entire row so that you know the row is selected. Then right click on top of the 2, submenu will pop up, and then click on the delete button from the submenu, and the row will be deleted. And you can see that has been deleted by the fact that C3 is no longer in C3 but is now in C2. So then to delete a column, you just do the same thing. Select from the top whatever letter for the column you would wish to delete, and then right click it. The submenu will pop up, click the delete button, and the column will be deleted. As you can see, H8 is no longer in the H column, it is now in the G column. Another example of this, we can go about the C column, right click, select the delete button, and we no longer have any 3s, just 1, 2s, and 4s. And that's about all there is to it, to delete and now also to add a column. What we'll do, we'll go back to our first example here. All you have to do, right click on the row again, click insert, and you'll notice that C3 has now been pushed back to where it was originally, and we can type in B2 to bring that item back. Same with columns. If we want to add in a column, just right click the column that you wish to add. Please note that whatever is in the column currently will be pushed to the right, so H8 here will be pushed over to H8 after we click the insert button from the submenu that pops up when you right click on the column, and you notice H8 has gone back to where it is. If we go back to example 2 here, if we want to bring back that row of 3s, all we have to do is right click on the top, submenu pops up, click on the insert button, and the column will come back. And then we just have to repopulate it with 3s. And that is how you add and remove columns and rows from inside Microsoft Excel.